Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and it is Saturday morning. So welcome, happy weekend, or I hope you're having a great day whenever you're watching this. So those clips you just saw before this, those were from last night, Friday night. It was my sister's 32nd birthday. So we had the family over, we did pizza, we did cake, you know, the whole shebang. And now it's about, I think it's about 11, and we are getting ready to start our day. So we had a nice lazy day. Now working on second cup of coffee. I have been so tired this past week, and I feel like every day I've been progressively getting more and more tired. And despite the fact that I slept in today, it did not magically fix me. So we are trying to see if a second cup of coffee and a second dose of caffeine is going to just turn things around for me. So let's hope so. May possibly be doing a closet seasonal turnover. So right now, all of the stuff in our both mine and Darren's closets are all of like our spring and summer stuff. So all of our winter stuff is in storage. So I think at some point, I was hoping to do it this weekend because the temperature just changed so aggressively. In a few hours later this evening, we're going to be going over to my friend Gopi's house, or her dad's house technically. She moved to the East Coast when she started dating her now husband, and so they come back and visit. Her dad still lives here, so they stay with him. So we're gonna go over there for dinner. Very excited. We haven't seen her dad in forever, and we love him. He is amazing. So we're doing that this evening, and then her husband's also going to touch up, maybe touch up my botox and do Darren's. He is, you know, certified and all that jazz. This is not some like, we'll figure it out, we watch some YouTube videos and we're gonna try it type of thing. Like, he's certified, trained, he does this. Yeah, I think that is it. I do not know what we're doing tomorrow, so stick around. We will figure out our weekend together. But I appreciate you guys being here and watching my videos. If this is not the first one you have watched, head over to my channel. I have I think near 300 videos now, so I have a lot of content for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, see a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. So we just got back from the walk. It was good. It's getting a little warm out there, so I take off my jacket, but I'm keeping it local because I feel like it was only because I was exercising. A little hungry. I am warming up some of these tamales. These ones are chicken. And these are the type that they sell at Rayleigh's, but they also sell them at Costco. So warming up one of those. And then usually I put this like taco sauce on it, but we don't have any right now. So I'm gonna try this hot sauce. I actually don't think I've ever tried it, and it's probably pretty spicy, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on it just to give it a little something, something. I know it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's suitcase number 2. Suitcase number 1, super full. This is incredibly heavy, but my closet is looking a lot better. So I have all of my hanging stuff. So this is the stuff that was already in my closet that I'm going to keep. These are the hangers for everything I removed. And then I found a single one of Darren's shoes in there, so I pulled it out. And then under here, I have like some of my other shoes. That's why I'm like, okay, I've like run out of room. So that's why we're utilizing this shelf up here. I moved in a bunch more stuff. So as you can see, there are so many more hangers. So I brought in a bunch of like my sweaters and turtlenecks, some of my vests, some more like sweaters and sweatshirts, a few of my coats, some of my cardigan, well, some of my cardigans. the ones I could find basically. A lot of our stuff is buried under different things, so I brought in a couple piles of my fall stuff, but as you can see, there are a lot more like long sleeve items, so I think this is good for now. Okay, so like I said, I think I'm at a stopping point today, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. I've been wearing the same like one pair of boots and 2 or 3 sweatshirts on rotation for all the cold days, so the fact that I have like access to multiple options is really, really exciting to me. So I'm feeling like today was a total success. This is not all of my winter stuff or my fall stuff, so I think I'm just going to keep this stuff here, and then maybe in like a month or two when I start getting tired of this stuff, maybe I'll switch out some of them for some of my other sweatshirts and coats and things like that. So I think that's the plan. And then obviously none of like my big winter coats fit in here. They're also in the storage room. So yeah, I do have access to more than what's just here, but this is gonna be like my like daily wears and stuff. So feeling really good about that. And then in about an hour and a half until we need to take off to go head over to my friend's house. And before we go there, we're gonna stop by Crumble and pick up some cookies for dessert, and I'm very happy. I don't think they have, I don't know, maybe they have Crumble over there, but anyway, they are a very cookie loving household, so I think it's gonna be very well received. So anyway, wanted to pop in, give you guys the update, and I'll see you in a bit. So now it's 4:30 and we are getting ready to head out to Gopi's. Very excited to see her. Since I saw you last, I have been strategizing with my mom. I am helping her to do a sponsored Instagram reel for these really cozy like cordless heated throw blankets. It's actually really, really cool. So think of like a, you know, like a heated blanket, but this one, it's a throw blanket. It does not need to be plugged in. You like charge it and has like a battery pack. And like it also has like these like sleeve things that you can like make it like a sweater. So I'm really excited about it. So the company sent us 2. So we've been kind of exploring it, filming a couple of the little clips of just the product, but tomorrow we're doing the kind of like skit aspect of it, and I'm really excited. As you guys know, I've been working on growing my channel so that I can make this my career, and part of that is like sponsored posts and things like that. So really excited that my mom has letting me help her with this. So this is going to be kind of my first taste of like what that's like and getting a little experience under my belt. So I'm really excited about it. So I'm happy with the clips and how they've turned out so far. And then yeah, tomorrow we have a whole game plan. We figured out the script of what we're saying, so we're doing a voiceover with it, and I think it's actually gonna be really good. So I'm very, very excited. Tomorrow I'll probably show you guys a couple clips of little behind the scenes, and then maybe if it's done in time, by the time I edit this, I'll plug it in. But I think I'm probably gonna share it on my Instagram too, because I'm just excited about it. So that's what's going on. But anywho, we're gonna head out. All right, we're ready to leave. We've got the sun changing. We are bringing a bottle of wine. We're bringing some Barbera from one of the wineries in Apple Hill, because Gopi loves Apple Hill. And then bringing a birthday gift for Gopi, because her birthday is November 22nd. But since we're not gonna see her at that time, I wanted to give her the present fully formed, do you know what I mean? Rather than like trying to mail it and getting a box and you smack. Anyway, so we're just gonna give it to her early, and then she can decide whether she wants to pack it or open it beforehand, what she wants to do with that. But if it becomes ugly in transit, it'll be because of her, not because of me. All right, so we just opened this bottle, and with the cork, the entire cork and this part of the bottle came out. So now we are straining. What are the chances? Oh my gosh, this looks so exciting. Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's about 1:30 right now, and I just finished getting ready. I've been having a super, super lazy day. We did not get home from hanging out with Gopi and Jay last night until like 1:30 this morning. So I'm exhausted. I typically go to bed at 9, so this was like mega late. I mean, I can't even tell you the last time I stayed up like past midnight. I mean, it has been several years, so yeah, I'm feeling really tired today. We were pushing through that, so it took me until like noon to get the energy to shower and begin the process. So happy to be done. And then in about 3.5 hours, yeah, about 5 o'clock, we were hoping to start the that sponsored post that I was telling you guys about yesterday. So I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so we've been watching some true crime, like Hunters Gone Missing type of shows on, actually I don't even know what platform it is. We have like so many memberships, I can't even keep them straight. Anyway, it's hot. Okay, I was going to tell you it's almost go time. So we have brownies here. My mom just made them from scratch. We're going to use the brownies and do like an entertaining thing. So my mom's gonna put all the brownies on here. We're gonna get a few clips of that and then a few clips like outside, kind of like I was telling you guys about. So things are coming together. We're just waiting for these bad boys to cool. So now it's 7:30. We finished recording all of the clips. I just put my robe on over my outfit because I don't feel like putting on a coat. It's just, robes are just so much comfier, you know? So we are charging up my phone again. All the clips are edited together, but now we need to go record the voiceover. So we ran through it honestly like 100 times and tweaked all of the timing of the words, moved around some clips and did like the final figuring out what we're doing. And then we're charging up my phone because it's only like 6%. And then we're gonna go to my car and we're gonna record the audio in my car. All right guys, we are in the car. we're in the sound booth. Okay, so God. We have 3 phones. We've got everything. My mom's phone, we have the video so that we can keep track of the video and like make sure the audio is lining up. Here is your script. Okay. And then my phone, we're going to record it. We're doing it on Instagram. And so I'm used to TikTok editing where you can just do a voiceover. However, in Instagram, I'm noticing that like the add audio, there's not an option to do a voiceover. So we're just gonna have to do import and we're just gonna have to import the audio from any video. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna just record it on here. All right, so we're gonna set it right here so it picks up your voice. And then you can just press play. Okay, it's recording, you can start at any time.
Year-round, I love creating delicious food to share with friends and family.
Okay, so did you press that early? Because we were not lining up with the video whatsoever.
I know, I don't know.
Okay, so what if we... Wait, I airdropped the wrong version.
I feel like I have a mouthful of cotton.
Start here and then 1, 2, 3.
Exclusively at Walmart.
Woo! That was it. Okay, that was it. That was it. Yes. Okay,
excellent.
Yes. Oh, that was beautiful. No, that was perfect.
Okay,
the voice inflection, everything. It was beautiful.
Year-round, I love creating delicious food to share with friends and family, and my favorite place to host is outside. But as seasons change and temperatures cool, it can be hard to enjoy the outdoors comfortably. Thankfully, I found these Sunbeam cordless heated throws. Soft to the touch, they heat up in seconds, keeping us warm when it's chilly outside. And they make a great holiday gift. After a quick charge, you can enjoy it as a classic throw or wear it as a cape. Either way, it will keep you warm for up to 4 hours. If you too want to extend your outside entertainment season, you can find these cozy cordless throws exclusively at Walmart.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so me and my mom were talking. You know, I told her that one of the things that I really want to do is upgrade my camera. And then she was like, oh, what kind of camera are you considering? And I was like an EOS, probably Mark II. And my mom's like, huh, wait a second. I'll be right back. And I was like, okay. She has one. She has an EOS Mark II. And she has the EOS Mark II of the 70, and then she also has the 60. So that's what she shoots all of like her photos with, but she shoots everything with the 60, and then she was upgrading to the 70, and she like bought it like a year ago and just never made the transition because she's so comfortable with the one that she currently uses. So she was like, is this the camera that you're planning on buying? Yeah, it is. So she gave me that and a 50-50 lens, which is kind of like the basic lens, to use. And I was like, are you freaking kidding me? This is a super expensive camera and it's like literally never been used. Yes, thank you. What I will say is she has the photography one, so it has like the solid, like the viewfinders on the back. So the vlog one, the viewfinder pops out and like shows on the side, so like you can see what you're doing, which is like here, my viewfinder folds up. So like I'm looking at myself above the lens, and then for these ones, it folds like out, so it's like beside the camera. So that's kind of the only like main difference, is that I can't really see that. I am so excited about this. So I whipped out my my camera strap that I bought like 2 years ago and never used, because I bought this camera strap being super excited, and then my camera is like this big. So it was like the camera strap was overkill, but now for like a proper camera, it's perfect. So I am beyond excited, and I just had to pop in and tell you guys. Okay, so their usual dog food, we use the Blue Buffalo, and usually we use dry food. However, they just ran out. So we are giving them wet food today. I need a fork to get this out. So yeah, we're just gonna give them wet food. This one is Hunter's Stew. Look how cute is that, Hunter's Stew. So we're gonna give them that, if I can get it out of the jar, or can. Hey HP, can you bring me a spoon or fork? This is not coming out as easily as one might hope. Hey guys, good morning and happy Monday. So I'm getting ready to leave for work. Just finished getting ready, and I made myself some breakfast to try to show you without dropping anything. So I made eggs, bacon, hash brown patties, and a flour tortilla. So I'm going to make this into a breakfast burrito, and that is going to hold me off hopefully for majority of the day. Usually, because I'm like on the road, I don't like to stop for lunch, because then it just like extends my day. So what I usually try to do is eat a large breakfast and then bring a couple snacks with me. So my breakfast holds me out through majority of the day. And then for my last few hours, I have a few little snacks if I am starting to feel hungry. And then I have like a pretty big dinner. So I don't think that's the healthiest way to eat, just like full disclosure. So this is not me saying this is a good idea. I'm just letting you know this is what I do because it works for me and it helps me get home at an earlier time. But yeah, that's what I like to do. So anywho, I wanted to pop in this morning and end off this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below and give you a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in next week for another new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.